a kawaii unicorn. And, I'm gonna do a squishy video. So, my squishy video is me, like, doing squishies that you could get in store because, like, I talked to my friends at school, and I'm like, they're like, I don't have any squishies. And then I'm like, why can't you just get them online? And then they're like, I don't know. And then I'm like, why can't you just get them at stores? And then they're like, they have them at stores? How come you haven't told me this? But now, I'm going to do a video about squishies that you could get at stores. So yeah, let's get started. So the first store that I'm going to show you is Toys R Us. And the first one that I got from Toys R Us is like a banana from Soft and Slow. This looks so realistic and fun. And next I got another one from Soft and Slow. And then they didn't have those when I went there recently. So I got this replica of the Chowa cake. So cool. And that's it for Toys R Us. They also had squeezables there, which you could also get at Justice, by the way. And next store I'm gonna do is Five Below. You know my Five Below buddies. Well, they had an apple, which is like one of my classic favorites. I dropped it. And yeah, we also had this basketball. I also have this half of a lipstick because my best friend, her lipstick broke, so she gave this to me as like a friendship thing. She is like super duper nice. Like, she's like one of my bestest friends. She couldn't have done that, but she did. And next I have this Maggie the cat, and I think those are supposed to be one of those like stretchy too. You know what I mean? If you don't, then I'll do a video on that. I'm crazy. Anywho, it's another alpaca. It reminds me of one of those like big, huge alpaca squishies that are like 45 bucks. But I got this for $5. Next store is Walmart. And I got one of the classics, one of the trends right now. Smooshy at Walmart, obviously. And these are so cute. But I ain't got no time to do or like to show you all of these besties, so I'm just not gonna do those. Next is this hamster from Soft and Slow. You all know my Soft and Slow buddies. Well, anywho, next store is Walgreens. Walgreens, get it? I got this replica of the Eric freaking cake, man. Eric cake. I love the Eric marshmallow cake. They didn't have the rainbow cake. They only had this one. And my friend had this one, but her strawberry fell off. But an Eric cake, man. Anywho, sorry, I'm crazy. Next store is Target. Woo! Target! They have squishies at Target in the toy section. Oh, what? They have a Gudetama squishy. And I love Gudetama, to be honest. Gudetama the lazy egg. I have a poster of him standing right over there. Yeah. Let me just show you that real quick. My poster. My beautiful poster. Well, that was a waste of time. Anywho, this video is gonna be long. I got a Squishable. Like, you know those videos. The first one that I've seen this from is the helicopter. Yeah, that's her name. But yeah, you know those same song. We love to squish our Squishimals, squish and watch them grow. You know that? We love to squish our Squishimals, squeeze them out and watch them grow. When you squeeze a squish, it feels amazing. They're soft and cute and feel so crazy. Watch it rise back into size like magic right before your eyes. Squishimals are unbelievably soft stuffed animals. You'll never want to put them down. And they're scented too. They smell so good. You'll want to squeeze them all. We love to squish our Squishimals, squeeze them down and watch them grow. Each sold separately from Beverly Hills Teddy Bear. We love to squish our Squishimals, squish them in and watch them grow. Wow. Anywho, that is it for my video, guys. Love you. Mwah. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more videos like this. Please comment down below what you think I should do next. And